Definitions allow you to write blocks of code which can be reused multiple times throughout your program. On screen is an example of a definition. This example, called greetings, asks the user for their name, then prints out a greeting to them with their name. If we call this definition multiple times, you can see that the same block of code can be repeated over and over again. There are two types of definitions, procedures and functions. Let's first take a look at procedures. A procedure is a term we use for a definition which simply performs a sequence of instructions. The example we have on screen would be a procedure. A bit different from the last example, this new definition takes in a value through what we would call a parameter. Then it prints out a greeting using the name we placed in the parameter. A function is a definition which returns a value, often after a calculation has been performed. Looking at the example on screen now, we have a definition which takes in two variables, in this case called a and b, then storing the result in the variable sum. The definition then returns this value from the variable sum. Therefore, it makes it a function. We can then call the definition in our main program. If we place the call to our definition within a print statement, the output to the screen when we run the program will be the return value of our calculation. You must remember that if you want to create a definition, you start with def, short for definition, a space, you write the name of the definition you want to do, and then you put two brackets and a semicolon. Anything you want within the definition is then indented. If you want to use parameters, you can place them between your brackets. You can have as many parameters as you want, as long as you call them correctly in your code.